Hello guys, this is Jasmine and you listening to me, Wonder Girl Jasmine. Today's topic, a rainy day. A rainy day, a perfect excuse to stay indoors and have some fun. Here are some ideas to make the most of the rainy days. Number 1, movie marathon. Pick your favorite movies or TV shows and binge watch to your heart's content. Number 2, indoor games, board games, card games, or video games. Take your pick and play with family or friends. Number 3, cooking or baking. Try a new recipe or experiment with new flavors and ingredients. Number 4, reading. Get lost in a book or explore a new genre. Number 5, arts and crafts. Paint, draw, knit, or create something new. Number 6, music or dance. Put on your favorite music and have dance party or try learning a new instrument. Number 7, puzzles and brain teasers. Challenge yourself with crosswords, Sudoku or jigsaw puzzles. Number 8, yoga or meditation. Relax and unwind with some mindfulness exercises. Number 9, learn something new. Explore online courses or tutorials on a topic you are interested in. Number 10, indoor scavenger hunt. Create a list of items to find around the house and see who can find them first. Number 11, spa day. Treat yourself to relaxing bath, facial or other self-care treats. Number 12, organize and declutter. Use the rainy day as an excuse to tidy up and get organized. Number 13, write or journal. Reflect on your thoughts and experience or try your hand at creative writing. Number 14, practice a new skill. Want to learn a new language or improve your photography skills? A rainy day is a great time to start. Number 15, take an online tour. Explore museum, historical sites, or national parks from the comfort of your own home. I hope this expanded list helps you make the most of your rainy day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Wonder Girl Jasmine. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon inshallah next video.